Tonight I get to experience the Beijing Acrobatic show, but first, I get to try Beijing's most famous cuisine, Peking duck. It's really neat how they prepare the duck because they bring it out, it's all been cooked, and they take this big rectangular knife and they cut these little pieces and delicately put them onto a plate. So here's how you make the Peking duck. First you take a little pancake, take a piece of duck, dip it in the sauce, then you take some vegetables, and you roll it up. Then your Peking duck is ready to eat. It's delicious. Now that we're all full, it's time to head in and see the Beijing Acrobatic show. Show's about to begin. So the Chinese acrobat group have perfected this art that has been practiced throughout China for thousands of years. Okay, here we go. They must have fun riding their bike down the street. The motorcycles at the end, the big finale, was the best part. I mean, the fact that they had not only one, not two, but 5 motorcycles zipping around in this big metal ball. I was on the edge of my seat. I cannot believe that they were able to do this. Wow, that was out of this world. It really is Beijing's version of Cirque du Soleil. An incredible night here in the city.